Amber Alert for a child abduction. The Chapel Hill Police Department is searching for Ariel Williams. Ariel Williams is a 5-year-old black female, approximately 3 feet 5 inches tall, weighing 45 pounds. She has black hair and brown eyes and was last seen wearing a tie-dye shirt, Adidas shoes, and blue jeans. The abductor is unknown. They were last known in the area of NC 751 and New Hope Church Road in a blue 2003 Dodge Durango with North Carolina license tag number TDS 4340. If you have any information regarding this case, call the Chapel Hill Police Department immediately at 919-612-8240 or 911 or STAR HP. This is a North Carolina Amber Alert.